Hey, welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and today we'll show you how to change a computer hard drive on a laptop. You might think it's something difficult and that you shouldn't play with it, but it's surprisingly easy to change a hard drive in your own computer. And two reasons why you might want to change your hard drive. You might want to change it because it's broken and that the hard drive failed and you have to change it with something new. And you also might want to change it just because you want to have more storage. For example, if your hard drive is 160 gigabytes and you're thinking, well, I have no more space and I need a bigger one, you can take it out and easily put a 500 gigabyte or 600 gigabyte or a terabyte hard drive in your laptop computer, depending on its model and age. And usually the access to your hard drive is pretty easy. A few laptops I've seen, for example, Sony laptops where the hard drive is located under the keyboard. That's a little more delicate because you have to remove the keyboard on the top of the computer and go under the keyboard. That, I must admit, is a little more difficult. But most laptops, I would say 90% of all the laptops I've seen have a quick access door at the bottom. So first thing you want to do is remove the power from your computer and remove the battery out of it. And the reason for that is that you don't want your computer to accidentally turn on while you are changing the hard drive. That is a bad idea because you can actually short circuit your computer. Second of all, locate the door where you have your hard drive, and that's interesting. Some computers have little drawings on their doors saying, well, this is the hard drive, this is the memory. So in this case here, the door here is for the memory. The door for the hard drive is on the left side on this one. Some Dell computers have it on the right side with just two screws, and you have to slide it out of the right side of the computer or the left side sometimes. So depending on your model, just examine where it could be. One cool little thing you should have is go onto the laptop computer manufacturer. This is a Toshiba, so just go to the Toshiba website. And usually in the section where your laptop is has information and drivers, you will have a complete manual. Very often the manual will actually tell you how to remove and where the location of the hard drive is. So you can use that information. At else you can just open the little doors and look where it is. In this one it's on the left side, so we'll go here on the left side of the computer. We'll take out the screws on the left side. Here we go. And be careful not to lose those little screws. And there you'll have finally access to the little door, so you can flip it up. Keep in mind there's often little clips on the doors that hold the door there, so even if it doesn't want to bulge, make sure you took out all the screws and then just take it out, and you'll hear probably little clicks of clips. And here goes. And here we have the hard drive. In most computers the hard drive is in a little casing, metal case, and you see this little tab means, okay, I can pull it out by the tab, either upwards or through the back. And see here through the back, it's slided out of the connector here. And this is my hard drive in my Toshiba. And what you'll do is take out the little screws, put a brand new hard drive into the metal casing on the same, just put it on the same way it was in. Put back the four little screws. Then what you'll do is just pull it back here and slide it back into the connector. Here we go. One of the things to be cautious is that very often there's a little screw at the bottom that holds the metal casing. So if the tab doesn't pull out, search for a little screw that might be holding the metal casing into the laptop. And once it's over, all you have to do is put back the little door on the bottom of your laptop, screw it back in place, and usually you'll be having a brand new laptop installed into your computer here. It's all there is to it. It's as easy as that to change your hard drive in most laptops. And then, well, you'll just have to reinstall Windows if you want, or you can use a tool if you have your installation works and you want to keep your programs. There's a program called Disk Copy from EASUS, EASE.US, I believe is the website. That has many tools, and one of them is Disk Copy, and you can clone your hard drive into your new hard drive and repartition what's left if it's bigger. So, or just reinstall Windows. Keep in mind that new disks are not what we call initialized, so it means that before you can format it, you'll need to initialize the disk into your Windows install. So it's easy as that. The only other thing that you need to know about hard drives for laptops is that there are two kinds. There's the usual kind of most laptops today are SATA, S-A-T-A, which looks like this. The connector looks like this. These are SATA drives. If your computer is less than 5 years old, you probably got a SATA drive. But if your computer is 8, 9, 10 years old, there's a chance you have another type. You'll have little pins all the way like this. This is an IDE drive. So before you purchase a new drive, open your laptop and check for, is it an IDE or is it a SATA drive? IDE is also sometimes written as PATA, P-A-T-A. So if you see PATA, P-A-T-A, it's the same as IDE. So check that before you change your drive, not to get the wrong drive. But once you know that it's an IDE or a SATA drive, all you have to do is install it in your computer. And it's very easy. As you see, there's nothing complicated in changing the drive here. So you shouldn't be scared to do that type of maneuver. If you enjoyed these videos and want to learn more and want to have more videos on solutions and how to do things on your computers, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments, questions, maybe you've got an error message and you want to have someone help you, hey, send us a private message and let us know, and we'll try to put a video online to help you fix your computer problems. If you've got a computer problem and an error message, chances are lots of people have the same error message, so you'll be helping others at the same time. So thanks for watching and hope you come back to the Easy Computer Fixes channel. Bye-bye.